Class 10. Notes of Chapter. The Human Eye and the 1. The human eye. It is a natural optical instrument which is used to see the objects by human beings. It is like a camera which has lens and screen system. Eye, retina. It is a light-sensitive screen inside the eye on which image is formed. It contains rods and cones. 2. Cornea. It acts like a lens which refracts the light entering the 3. Aqueous humor. It is fluid which fills the space between cornea and eye lens. 4. Eye lens. It is a convex lens made of transparent and flexible jelly-like material. Its curvature can be adjusted with the help of ciliary muscles. V. Pupil. It is a hole in the middle of the iris through which light enters the eye. It appears black because light falling on it goes into the eye and does not come back. 6. Ciliary muscles. These are the muscles which are attached to eye lens and can modify the shape of eye lens, which leads to the variation in focal lengths. 7. Iris. It controls the amount of light entering the eye by changing the size of pupil. 8. Optical nerve. These are the nerves which take the image to the brain in the form of electrical signals. 2. Accommodation power. The ability of eye to change the focal length of eye lens with the help of ciliary muscles to get the clear view of nearby objects, about 25 centimeters, and far distant objects, at infinity. 3. Color blindness. Some people do not possess some cone cells that respond to certain specific colors due to genetic disorder. 4. Myopia, short-sightedness. It is a kind of defect in human eye due to which a person can see near objects clearly but he cannot see the distant objects clearly. Myopia is due to excessive curvature of cornea, elongation. 5. Hypermetropia, long-sightedness. It is a kind of defect in human eye due to which a person can see distant objects properly but cannot see the nearby objects clearly. It happens due to I. Decrease in power of eye lens, i.e., increase in focal length of eye lens. 6. Presbyopia. It is a kind of defect in human eye which occurs due to aging. It happens due to I. Decrease in flexibility of eye lens. 2. Gradual weakening of ciliary muscles. 7. Astigmatism. It is a kind of defect in human eye due to which a person cannot see, focus, simultaneously horizontal and vertical lines both. 8. Cataract. Due to the membrane growth over eye lens, the eye lens becomes hazy or even opaque. This leads to decrease or loss of vision. The problem is called cataract. It can be corrected. 9. Dispersion of white light by a glass prism. The phenomenon of splitting of white light into its 7 constituent colors when it passes through a glass prism is called dispersion of white light. The various colors seen are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. The sequence of colors remember as Vibgyor. 10. Composition of white light. White light consists of 7 colors, i.e., violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. 11. Monochromatic light. Light consisting of single color or wavelength is called monochromatic light, e.g., sodium light. 12. Of more than 2 colors or wavelengths is called polychromatic light, e.g., white light. 13. Recombination of white light. Newton found that when an inverted prism be placed in the path of dispersed light, then after passing through prism, they recombine to form white light. 14. Formation of rainbow. The water droplets act like small prisms. They refract and disperse the incident sunlight, then reflect it internally, and finally refract it again when it comes out of the raindrop. Due to the dispersion of light and internal reflection, different colors reach the observer's eye. 15. Atmospheric refraction. The refraction of light caused by the Earth's atmosphere, having air layers of varying optical densities, is called atmospheric refraction. 16. Why? The duration of day becomes approximately 4 minutes shorter if there is no atmosphere on Earth. Actual sunrise happens when it is below the horizon in the morning. The rays of light from the sun below the horizon reach our eyes because of refraction of light. Similarly, the sun can be seen about few minutes after the actual sunset. Thus the duration of daytime will increase by 4 minutes. 17. Scattering of light. According to Rayleigh's law of scattering, the amount of scattered light wavelength 4. So that the wavelength of violet, blue, and indigo is small as compared to the rest of the colors. So sky appears blue in color. 18. Color of the sun at sunrise and sunset. At noon, the light of sun travels relatively shorter distance through Earth's atmosphere, thus appears white as only a little of blue and violet colors are scattered. Near the horizon, most of the blue light and shorter wavelengths are scattered and sun appears red. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel. Hit the like button. Share with your friends and classmates.